Do you want to be a successful online business owner? Do you want to see your passive income growing by the day? How about affiliate marketing? If you don't know what affiliate marketing is or don't know how it works, I have a solution for you. But first, take a look at these guys. See what they've been up to and decide if you want to be in their shoes. It's not fast, but it's easy. Wow, do you see this guy? He's killing it. Now, if you're interested, I have a gift for you from my mentor. Sign up now using the link in the description down below and you'll receive his free book via email. His book is called 7 Steps to Becoming a Super Affiliate, and he's giving it away for free. This book will teach you the basic steps you need to take in order to become a successful affiliate marketer. Sign up as soon as possible, and inside a few months you can become the owner of a 6-figure online business.